Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about multiplication of surds. Now before you go into multiplication of surd, you need to know these two facts. Root A times root A is A. Example, if I have root 2 multiplied by another root 2, this is 2. Likewise, root A times root B is root of AB. An example, if I have root 3 multiplied by root 2, it is the same as root 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Now to illustrate further, we are going to look at the following questions from 1 to 6. They are all about multiplication of surds. So looking at the question, before multiplying two surds together, look at them if it is possible to simplify. Like the first question here, we cannot simplify this and this, so we can mark them together to become root 50. That is 5 times 10 is 50. Root 50 can actually be simplified to be the same as root 25 multiplied by root 2. And root 25 is 5 and root 2 remain as root 2. That implies we have been able to simplify this product of two surds. Number 2, we have root 12 multiplied by root 3. So root 12 can be simplified. It's going to be root 4 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by another root 3 here. So root 4 is 2. We have 2 root 3 times another root 3. Now this 2 will stand, then root 3 times root 3 is 3. And the final result is 6. For number 3, we have 2 root 7 squared. It means 2 root 7 multiplied by 2 root 7. So in this case, 2 times 2 is 4. Root 7 times root 7 is 7. Then 4 times 7 is 28. And we are done with number 3. Number 4, we can't simplify this and we can't simplify this. But we can simplify this. So bringing this and this together first, we're going to have 3 root 20. Then multiply by this other root 20. Then this will be 3. Root 20 times root 20 is going to be 20. So the final result is 60. And we are done with question number 1 to 4. Now, if you look at all that we have done, we have applied the highlighted properties of multiplication of surds. Now we move on to number 5 and 6. For number 5, root 5 cannot be simplified, but root 24 can be simplified to be root 4 multiplied by root 6. Then we have root 30. Now, root 5 multiplied by 2, root 6, then multiplied by another root 30, that is this. Bringing these two together, we have 2 root 30, because 6 times 5 is 30, multiplied by another root 30. So this will be 2. Root 30 times root 30 is 30. So the final result here is 60. Now we are done with number 5. We move on to question number 6. Root 6 cannot be simplified, but root 8 can be broken down to be root 4 into root 2. Root 10 cannot be simplified, but root 12 can be broken down into root 4 into root 3. Now looking at this is root 6 multiplied by 2 root 2, because this is 2, then multiply by root 10, then multiply by 2 root 3. Now this and this is root 60 multiplied by this and this is 4 root 6. Now we can still break this down, not necessarily using a perfect square. This is root 6 multiplied by root 10, then multiply by 4 root 6. So root 6 times root 6 will be 6. So we have 4 times 6 root 10. That is 4. Then root 6 times root 6 is this 6. So we end up with 24 root 10. We've been able to simplify question number 1 to question number 6 using the highlighted properties of multiplication of surds. Thanks for watching.